Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix your microphone not working in Windows 11. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then click on privacy and security. From here, click on microphone and make sure the microphone access is turned on. If it is turned off, simply turn it on, and also make sure you turn on the app for which you are trying to use the microphone for. Like I use Audacity, so I'll simply turn it on from here. Now simply search for control panel. From here, click on sound. Now find your microphone from this list here and set it as default. Once done, double click on it. Click on levels and increase this slider to the maximum and save the change, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.